Welcome to my YouTube channel, Tony Suvega, your Feng Shui guru and paranormal expert. Today is Wednesday, October 23, 2024, Day of the Monkey. Best colors, light blue, sky blue. Activities related to traveling. All forms of travel. The position of the monkey will suffer sometime in the coming year of the wood snake, past 11 of January 28, 2025, up to February 16, past 11 of 2026. All the people born in the year of the monkey have to donate walker, cane, crutches, wheelchair to avert the negative position of the monkey.